morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The ATR has gradually diminished into the low volatility zone. Bitcoin has fallen 2% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator plunged into negative territory. The price of gold has fallen 0.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator transitioned sharply into the negative zone. The price of crude oil has fallen 0.6% in the last session. The ATR has diminished into low volatility territory.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Oil prices edged lower, dragged down by concerns that a spike in COVID-19 cases in the United States and Europe will continue to drag on demand. Ratings agency Moody's cut the United Kingdom's debt rating over the huge economic hit from the coronavirus crisis, Brexit, and the lack of clear budget plans. The dollar had its best week in 3 weeks on increased caution over a global surge in coronavirus cases and fading prospects for a U.S. stimulus package.
Thank you for this. Now coming up, today's major economic events.
The Chinese GDP will be released at 200 GMT, the Chinese industrial production at 200 GMT, the Chinese retail sales at 200 GMT, the Chinese unemployment rate at 200 GMT, the Eurozone's construction output at 900 GMT, and the German BUBA monthly report at 1000 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.